When I think of DEFY, I think of a company that's evolved from solving problems for digital content creators to a company that now builds systems that are used on the biggest productions in the world.
Take an idea and we just run with it instead of, sending it up the lines, getting approval, and then a year later you're finally doing some prototyping, whereas like we'll take an idea and a week later have a very rough prototype. That, and then where we're headed in the market, going from Rewind 9 years ago doing, gimbals for prosumer market, which was awesome and fun, but then moving into live broadcast and cinema.
And we've been there building out lens control systems, balancing things, all those things that people just took for granted that they had to do. That was part of the job. As a team of both creatives and engineers and designers, our vision and our dream is to make that a product. Turn up, pull out the penny cases, get the gear out, turn it on, go to work.
We talk so much about innovation and the dactyl cam, the rhythm track, all of that stuff is fantastic and just eye candy, and it's been amazing. But the real innovation has been these guys doing their job and making it look like it's just a normal baseball game.
We don't know what 2021 is going to look like, but I think what this does show us is that this is a new shift or a new era of camera movement systems within live broadcast for sports.
Yeah, it's the freedom. We're definitely not suit and tie.
As a broadcast operator, we're always looking for the easiest solution for us to get quick, dynamic shots. In working with the EX heads and the dactyl cam system and the rhythm track, hands down they are one of the easiest systems to not only set up, but also operate.
We're able to add to the other shots and bring you to the ballpark a little more. It makes the whole broadcast a little bigger.
We're poised to be in this position where if we're sitting around a table, or if one of the guys out in the field calls and says, we're really having trouble with this, I'm usually immediately walking over to my computer and changing it. We get to get in the driver's seat and actually change the industry and shape it into what we want, rather than just waiting for other companies to do it for us.
Keynote time.
Actually, this is good.
Yeah.
Is that fresh?
Yeah, I made it this morning.
Did you? It smells good.
Yeah.
I'm really proud of our roots. I'm really proud of where we started and the hard work that it took to get us going. And I think when I fast forward and I look at where we're headed, that's where I'm most excited. We've been able to create one of the world's first handheld gimbals in the market from 2013, and fast forward and we're building custom OEM products for Apple for product launches. From the Super Bowl to the Oscars to building custom products from 62 countries around the world with hundreds of installations. It's something I'm really excited about in seeing that scale and that growth. It's really exciting to not define us by our past or our current products. And it's also, the future, I will say, is in an exciting way unclear, because our innovation is propelling us forward in a very unique way. And we're still finding unique problems to solve, building incredible partnerships with Major League Sports really around the world, and clients that just have some of the best problems to solve.
I love that we have had this mentality of no matter how hard it is, just don't cut corners. It has to be an amazing product, even if we suffer because of it. It has to be the best thing we can put out. And I think it's cool to have a team where that's important to everybody.
You've lit the fuse to this rocket, and we just got strapped in. It's only the beginning.
And then once this sort of like, hey, let's innovate, came up, I said, we got to do the dactyl cam. This is going to be, I don't ever want to come off the camera. It shows everything all the time. So it's just been dynamic.